In this video, you'll learn how to enable two-factor authentication in Binance. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized access. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, look for the option to log in at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials and click on the login button. After successful login, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Next, locate your profile icon, which is typically in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Profile Settings to access your account settings. Once in the settings menu, find the security section listed among the options on the left side of the screen. Within the security section, look for the option labeled two-factor authenticator. You will see choices for either using an authenticator app or SMS verification. Decide which method you prefer and select it. If you choose the authenticator app, you will need to download an application like Google Authenticator on your mobile device. After downloading the Authenticator app, return to the Binance interface. A QR code will be displayed on your screen. Open the Authenticator app on your device and use the option to scan a QR code. This will link your Binance account to the Authenticator app. It is vital to save the backup key provided by Binance in a secure location, as this key will be necessary for account recovery in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Once you have scanned the QR code and saved the backup key, the Authenticator app will start generating codes. Enter the current code displayed in your app back into the Binance interface to confirm the setup. After you input the code, Binance will verify it. If the verification is successful, two-factor authentication will be activated. To ensure that everything is functioning correctly, log out of your Binance account and then log back in. You will be prompted to enter the code generated by your Authenticator app. This step confirms that the two-factor authentication is working properly. Remember to keep your backup key safe, as it is essential for account recovery in the future. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.